My name is Gulnaaz and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before starting the video, click on the subscribe button so you can get more new regular updates. Today we are going to learn about multiplication. Okay? For your better understanding, I will give you one example. Now I will draw 4 boxes. Friends, I have done drawing 4 boxes. Now I will draw the dots. So friends, I have done drawing 4 boxes and 2 dots in each box. Now I will show you how to solve this sum. So how many boxes are there? There are 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And how many dots are there in each box? 2. So now we will add all the dots in the box. Okay? I will write down here 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to. So friends, do you know what the answer is? No? Okay. So let's count on our fingers. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. What's the answer? The answer is 8. Friends, this means that multiplication is repeated addition of a number. Now I will write 2 questions. One will be without carryover and one will be with carryover. Now I will write down the sums. So friends, I have done writing the questions. Now we will solve these questions. The first question is 33 multiplied by 3 is equal to. I have written tens and ones. These are the place values. Let's multiply this 3 with this 3. So 3 3s are ting ting. Yes, you are correct. 3 3s are 9. So we will write 9 under ones. Now we will multiply this 3 with this 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 is again 9. The answer is 99. Now we will do the carryover sum. The carryover sum is 12 multiplied by 5. So 2 5s are ting ting. Yes, you are correct. 2 5s are 10. So friends, remember, 0 will come here, 1 will be as a carryover. Now we will multiply 5 by 1. So 5 1s are 5. Remember everyone, we have a carryover. We will add, okay? 5 1s are 5 plus 1 is 6. The answer is 6. Now under tens we will write 6. So friends, the answer is 60. Hope you learned a lot about multiplication. If you find any difficulty, just let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. Be safe.